Valk Manufacturing versus Rangaswamy features a blocked intersection, an unfortunate encounter with a snowplow hitch, and a lengthy consideration of what makes a design defective. Dr. Srinivasa Rangaswamy came to a halt at a stop sign, intending to turn left onto the road. A phone company truck was parked near the intersection, blocking his view. Rangaswamy must not have seen the Montgomery County dump truck that was driving down the road because he pulled out right in front of it. The truck had a snowplow hitch mounted on its front, but no snowplow attached. This hitch contained a steel lift arm that stuck out 2.5 feet in front of the truck. The truck hit Rangaswamy's Toyota, and the lift arm pierced the driver's side window. It also pierced Rangaswamy's skull and chest, killing him. Rangaswamy's wife sued the manufacturer of the hitch, Valk Manufacturing. She alleged that the hitch's design was defective, so Valk should be strictly liable for Rangaswamy's wrongful death. The jury found for Rangaswamy. Valk appealed to the Maryland Court of Special Appeals.